these three forms you already know, right? Correct?
Yes, sir.
So today we'll talk about the fourth and the final form. Intercept form. Of line. The intercept form of line, it is nothing but x by a plus y by b is equals to 1. Now here, a and b, what are they? They are the intercepts. A is the x-intercept and b is the y-intercept. Alright, so if you have a coordinate x's and if you have 2 points, let us say, one over here, one over here, and the line passes like this. Let us say this point is 0, 2 and this is 3, 0. So this becomes your x-intercept. Remember, it is with sign. Here both are positive. If this would have been over here, it would be negative. So the equation of the line becomes x upon x-intercept is 3 plus 3 plus y by 2 is equals to 1. Simple. So when the question comes over this, the question is always about this area. So this is the area between the line and the coordinate axis. So what is the area? Clearly it is half base into height. So half into 3 into 2, that's 3. Right, so always you will have the area over here as half into a into b. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So very important point to note. Very, very important point to note. This will also come in data sufficiency. So see, if I give you this point and I give you the area, let us say 3, the data is not sufficient for the line. Why? Because the line can be this side as well. Alright, the line can be this side as well. This will also have the area 3, isn't it? So be careful that the area does not fix the y-intercept. It can be either over here as -2 or as 2. Because -2 will also make the area 6, isn't it? Manmeet, Aisha, right?
Yes, sir.
Shishir? So dhyan
Yes, sir.
rakhna. You cannot tell me the line. The data is insufficient. If the question says, what is the equation of line? If first statement says the x-intercept is 3, okay, I know this point. Second says area formed between line and coordinate axis is equal to 6. The data is insufficient. E, I do not know the y-intercept. It can be 4 or -4, anything. And let's make it 3 right now. So it can be 2 or -2, anything. The data is insufficient. Clear?
Yes, sir.
चलें आगे बढ़े.
Yes, sir.